Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro was the name of Guanabara Bay, which means River of January, founded in 1565 by the Portuguese navigator, and was named São Sebastião do Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro, or simply Rio, is a huge seaside city and second most populous municipality in Brazil, one of the most visited cities in the southern hemisphere and famous for its landmarks. The giant statue of Christ the Redeemer, which is 38 meters high atop Corcovado Mountain, and one of the new 7 wonders in the world. Sugarloaf Mountain, a granite peak with cable cars to its summit. The Zambadromi, a permanent grandstand-lined parade avenue which is used during Carnival. Maracanã Stadium, one of the world's largest football stadiums. Beaches such as Copacabana, Ipanema, and Lebanon. It is also known for its sprawling favelas or shanty towns, its raucous carnival festival featuring parade floats, flamboyant costumes, and samba dancers is considered the world's largest. Part of the city has been designated as a World Heritage Site named Rio de Janeiro Carioca, landscapes between the mountain and the sea.